guys, and welcome to a chill day in my life, lockdown style. The weather's like really rubbish today. It's kind of rainy and windy. I think there's meant to be a storm coming tomorrow or something. So I'm just gonna have a day of like doing things that I want to do, like relaxing things. I also just finished all of my deadlines for uni and got them all sent away, so yeah, just really looking forward to having a day when I do stuff for me and just relax. So let's go make some breakfast. I'm actually reading this amazing book at the moment by William Finnegan about his life and his journey through surfing, and I'm really terrible at finishing books, but I'm almost there with this one, so that's really exciting for me. And I got loads of books for my birthday as well, so I'm really excited to start reading those. And I find that with breakfast is always a great way to start the day. Just reading some of your book, it's really calming and kind of gets your brain like awake and ready to do things. My parents have just built a polytunnel in the garden in like the last few weeks, a little lockdown project. So I decided to go and have a look at it and see how everything's growing. And actually it's growing so quickly, and last night we had some stuff out of it for dinner, like some salad leaves and things. It's so satisfying when you've like grown it yourself to then be able to eat it, though I actually can't take any credit because my mum and dad have done all of the work, but I think it looks really beautiful. Guys, this is my sunflower! Look! Isn't he beautiful? I know he doesn't actually look like a sunflower yet, but I'm told that he will soon. So we have some lettuce and chard and tomatoes over here and here, and loads more tomatoes here and here and here and all the way down there. They're the ones that climb all the way up to the roof, and those bits of string there. I love to come in here when it's raining and you can just listen to the sound of the rain on the plastic. It's so relaxing, and there's something really nice about being inside and being warm when it's raining outside. So I just want to take a bit of time to talk about the importance of having days where you don't have to be really productive. I think there's loads of pressure because of social media, and a lot of unis and colleges expect you to be productive all of the time, but actually I think it's really good to take days for your mental health, and I certainly couldn't survive being on full blast the whole time. I think I just wreck myself. So yeah, I think just trust that you know what's best for you and take care of your mental health. So after my little trip to the polytunnel, I took some more time just to read and relax, because with uni deadlines and stuff I've not had much of a chance to do that recently, and it was really nice and really relaxed my mind, and I practiced a little bit of mindfulness as well, just to set up the day really well. We're going for a walk in the rain. Do you like my outfit? Purple and green is the new thing. But first we're going to buy some sweet potatoes. You can stop now. escape from the storm.
Yes, just...
Oh, look at all the sad wind. I wish that we could live in here.
Then again, we've got sweet potatoes at home.
Oh, yes! We made it. And now it's sweet potato time. After deadlines, I feel like I always let my practice and my work sort of get away from me, and I don't really keep on top of it, which I don't think is great for my mental health, because I'm lucky enough to study something that I really love, and it does make me really happy. So I just try to fit in like a couple of hours a day, not too much, but just enough to keep on top of what I'm doing. So in the evening, my boyfriend and I decided to play poker. It's never something I've really been into, but his family really love the game, and so he's been teaching me to play. And we found some shells on the beach to use as chips, which I thought was a really lovely idea. So we just had a couple of games in the evening just to wind down at the end of the day. Look at my big stacks. Look at those little stacks over there. This is all my big stacks from earlier. Oh, there it goes.
Yum yum yum.
Oh,
Oh
bye
yeah.
bye. So, the game's not going very well. Rue just stole all of my money. Slowly nursing myself back to health. This is a disaster. Very sad. We're losing miserably.
What do you think she should do, Daisy?
She says I need to find a better poker opponent.
Oh.
No, stop. No paparazzi. Stop it. No, stop it. Bottom. Ruri! Whoa, look how well Rue's doing. Isn't that nice? Oh. Oh dear. What a shame. Who won?
Not you. You lost.
Yeah, that's true. Didn't we, Daisy? Thank you so much for watching. I'd love for you to subscribe and join me on my journey. Thank you so much for being here.